Let's make some books on the cake. We start with rolling out a thick white fondant rectangular block. Use some corn flour to avoid it from sticking. Now this makes the center part of the book. For the cover, roll out some red fondant. Roll it slightly thin. Now dab some water and make sure it's big enough to wrap around the book fully. Cut around, leaving a small gap between the red fondant and the white fondant block. Pull over the red fondant and press it at the bind side of the book and flip it over. Trim the edges well. Now, with the help of a pizza cutter, make a dent in the spine of the book. Make some lines using your knife on the spine. In the same way, make some more books in different colors. Now for the fountain pen. Take some yellow fondant and roll it into a cylindrical shape. Similarly, do that with the black fondant. Now this forms the body of the pen. Now for the cap, roll out a black fondant into a slightly cone shape. Assemble all the three parts as shown using a wooden stick. We do some detailing on the cap of the pen. For the nib, roll out some grey fondant. Now, using the knife, shape out the nib as shown. And stick it. This is a whipped cream cake. Therefore, we roll out some white fondant and cut it into a round so that the books can be stacked up on it. We do that so the dark colored fondant does not bleed out once it comes in contact with the cream. Using an edible white or black gel color, you can label your books. You can design your book cover to your liking. edible gold paint, brush the yellow part of the pen, making it into a black and gold fountain pen. Roll out some white fondant on which the pen will sit so that it does not bleed on the whipped cream cake. Place the pen on the band. Now stack up the books as shown. Insert a wooden stick to secure the book. We dress up the cake with the piping using tip 199. Sprinkle some golden balls and it's all done.